stop asking why I'm struggling to stay. It's a mystery why I'm here. I guess I'm just too tired of fighting what you say. As we're growing older, darling, I begin to understand it all. It's me that I'm fighting now that I see what is hiding underneath my skin. And I'm always sorry to bring you in my fault. Yeah, with my fault. Like this never end. We have to try and keep the mood up, stay. I know that sometimes we pretend to love each other like we used to, but it's all